Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today family, I want to share with you two ways of making banku at home and I hope you'll be inspired. We all know about the coal pot method, the stove method, the cooker method, and I hope you'll be inspired with this one that I'm going to be adding to your methods. So I've got my banku mix ready. I'm going to scoop some on the side and I'll use just a little bit for my banku, alright? I'm adding just a little bit of water to mix everything together nicely. After mixing everything together nicely, I'm going ahead to strain the banku mix to get all the residue out, okay? After straining, you can decide to throw away the residue or blend it smoothly and add it to the banku mix. In my case, I'm going to blend it smoothly and add it to my banku mix, alright? After adding, now let me add salt to my mixture. And there we go. Mix everything together nicely so the salt is well dissolved and well distributed, okay? Family, we are gradually getting there, so keep watching and go nowhere and be inspired. The consistency of the banku is by choice and preference. That is, you add the water according to how you want the banku to feel or appear to be. I hope it's clear here. So very soon I'll be putting one in the microwave and the other on the cooker top. And here it is. So I'm going to be stirring in circular motion until it begins to solidify. Yeah, and it's begun already. We're almost there. Stirring in circular motion will also prevent the banku from being lumpy. Okay, and there we go. Keep stirring, and very soon we will start kneading the banku against the sides of the saucepan so that any form of lumps that may be forming will start to flatten out. Okay, just like this. Do this with all your strength, and this will help flatten out all the lumps. And you can see this banku looks so smooth, and I love how it looks and feels. Please go nowhere to see the next method. Now let's add a little bit of water to the banku, okay? We will then start kneading the banku against the sides of the saucepan when the water starts boiling, okay? This way, the banku will cook properly. You will keep adding the water gradually and little by a little for about 5 times, and by 10 to 15 minutes time, the banku should be ready, okay? Family, we've been able to flatten out all the lumps in this banku and I love the results. It's so smooth, it's lump free, it smells good as well. The salt is okay. Ooh, but it's still not ready yet. So I'm going to add a little bit of water for it to cook again, and I'll knead it against the sides of the saucepan for some time until I see the banku is well cooked. Okay, and to know the banku is ready, just dip your hands in water. Try to use your hand to scoop some of the banku out, or just use your hand to touch the banku. If the banku does not stick to your hands, that means it's ready. Okay, so this banku is almost ready. And ooh, family, I'm loving this. I cannot wait to enjoy my banku finally. So we are done with the first method. Let's go straight to the second method. All right. So let's put our measuring jar containing our banku mix into our microwave. And we're going to cover it up. Set the time to about 5 minutes. Okay. 5 minutes later, we are back, and like the first method, we're going to use our wooden spoon to knead our banku. Ooh, this is so hot, and I love it. It's almost ready, but it needs to be kneaded, yeah? So let's knead it, making sure there's no lumps in it, yeah? Well done to us all. Our banku is well kneaded, and now there are no lumps in it. So we're going to put it back again in the microwave for more time until it's well cooked like the first method, okay? And this can also take about 10 to 15 minutes, yeah? Family, so far, if you've been inspired by the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and don't forget to recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. And if it's your first time here, you are warmly welcome. Please subscribe to join this amazing family, yeah? Our banku is almost ready, and again, we will take it back into the microwave for about 3 to 5 minutes to be well cooked, okay? And when it comes back, we will then again need for about few more minutes and it should be ready in no time. Ooh, it's back already and we are still needing harder because we do not want lumps in it. Yeah. This is ready. So ready, guys. I love this. It's so lump free, it's smooth. It doesn't stick to my hands and I'm loving this. Family, for more of these videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's build this amazing family together. Thank you all for watching till this point. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, enjoy. Mwah. Kiss. Bye, y'all.